Hey everyone, we're really excited to bring you this course on Twitter Power. We all use Twitter for different things, but don't necessarily know the things that you can do, the different strategies, and how much power they can bring to ranking just about anything. I've used this strategy for a few years. Twitter shut it down on me about a year ago, and it has actually come back and is very, very powerful. We'll get into a lot of those details. This is obviously just an intro video to the course. In this intro video, you're going to see some things that are either blurred out or bleeped, because I can't give that information out unless you're actually part of the course. But in the intro video for the course, you'll have all those things back in there. So looking forward to getting into it with you, and thanks. So why are we using Twitter? Because of its high authority, its Google partnerships to index quickly, do follow backlinks, the virality and the engagement that also come with Twitter. And what will we rank? Everything to YouTube videos, GMBs, websites, and this works for local lead generation and affiliate. And to talk about some of the results, some of you know my experience with the Lanai screen repair, where I took the top 5 positions for about 25 cities in Florida using Google Sites, YouTube videos, maps, Facebook page, but this was all powered up. I was forced to take this down because of some competitors filing complaints with government licensing departments, where they threatened to fine me and everything else. And since it was just a test, I just took everything down for the time being until I could address it more. But I was getting hundreds of phone calls a month that I easily could have turned around and sold. Some of the results that I can share with you is ranking GMBs for SEO related keywords, taking the top positions. Also for tree services, same thing, taking the top positions in Google Maps or the 3-pack. And then also ranking videos really high for tons of crypto related keywords, which I probably made 50 grand off that in the last year and a half. But there's a lot of different things you can rank for it, and all through this strategy of using. So what's in this course? You're going to get my strategy of what I do, step-by-step instructions, tools for research and implementation. I'm going to give you the templates for content automation, a list of authority counts that you can actually go and register for free, and then some bonus things. We're actually going to boost your accounts for you, and I'll talk to you more about that later. And then also, if you purchase the Backlink Destroyer bonus, I highly suggest you do it now if you haven't already. But I'll have an extra video for you that's going to show what I'm doing using the Backlink Destroyer strategy to boost this as well. So hopefully you enjoy it, and look forward to getting into more of the details of this course. Thanks.